To ensure your window treatments are the perfect fit, know the right size to get. In this short video, you'll learn how to properly measure for outside mount horizontal blinds. Outside mount blinds are a good choice if an inside mount is not possible due to little or no window depth or obstructions in the window frame. Outside mount blinds are mounted outside the window opening, either at the wood trim frame or adjacent flat surface area. With exact measurements, you'll simplify your shopping experience, eliminating trial and error, returns, and added costs. Simply shop according to the size you need. When determining your window coverings, use a steel tape measure and round your measurements to the nearest 1/8 of an inch. Also, perform the measurements a couple times to confirm them before you record them. Don't mix up the dimensions. Indicate the width first, then the height. All blinds and shades feature a headrail mechanism for raising and lowering the window covering. Before you measure, you'll need to determine where the headrail mount for the blind will be positioned. It's typically 1.5 to 3 inches above the window. Next, measure the width of your window from left to right. If you have trim around your window, simply measure to the far edges of your trim. If your window opening has no trim around it, measure the opening from point A to point B. Then add at least 3 inches to your measurement to minimize light gaps and offer more privacy. Your next step is to measure the height of your window. If your window has a protruding sill, start from the sill and measure at least 3 inches beyond the top of your window opening in order to accommodate for mounting hardware. If your windowsill does not protrude, measure from the top of the headrail mount location to the top of the windowsill, or lower if overlap is desired for additional light control and privacy. 2 to 3 inches may suffice. By taking these simple measurements, you'll be on your way to purchasing the most suitable blinds for your windows, and you'll create additional decor, controlled lighting, and privacy for your home. Be sure to follow your manufacturer's instructions when installing your blinds. Here are the tools you'll need to measure for your blinds. For more detailed information on this and many other popular projects, check out the DIY Projects and Ideas section of HomeDepot.com or talk to one of our store associates. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.